Okay, that's your front row. Resulta is sobre todo in Berganya, Ranberga. So it's Pipoy Works RR Moto Pitch Bike versus Agnat Yolak Exterior versus KC99G Racing Bomb X. Warm up lap pa lang po tayo. So mga babantayan. Oh, race na pala tayo. Sorry. That's the race. So, yan na po. Sinasabi ko, Ian J. sobre todo immediately taking the lead. But resulta, hindi pumapayag. Here we go. Ang abangan po natin kung kailan makakarating sa harap si Timothy Rojas and si Corpus. Ayan po, so si Rojas po is up in 9th place na agad after Sector 1. And immediately behind sobre todo is Galsote of KC99 Racing Bomb X. So ito po ang ating top 3. Resulta sobre todo. Oh, sorry, it's now Rojas. Medyo nabalik pa tako. Yan na po, Rojas from the back of the grid in the lead. Wow. Rojas after the first lap in 3rd place, and at the start of the 2nd lap now in the lead. It's now Timothy Rojas of NCY Suntal JDO in the lead in this Super Maxi class, followed by sobre todo of Agnat Yolak Exterior, and then it's a resulta of Pipoy Works RR Moto. Ito pang ating mga heavyweights na. Wow, hindi ko napansin. What a good start from Timothy Rojas. Yan po yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. Dapat babantayan ko kung kailan siya makakapunta sa harap. Ayun po. 1 lap lang po ang kailangan ni Timothy Rojas to be at the front. So, I'm sure nagka-problema siya ng QTT. Kaya nasa likod siya or something changed. That's why he had to stand at the back of the grid. So, alright. At the end of the 2nd lap, Rojas sobre todo resulta, and then Ranberganya, is that Ranberganya? Is Corpus in 4th. The teammate of sobre todo is already in 4th, followed by what's that? Ronald Galsote is down to 9th place. So it's Ronald Galsote at the 3rd place starting position is now down to 9th place. But yung nasa taas po are GP riders, no? Rojas, sobre todo resulta in Corpus are GP riders, no? Ang leading po sa SP class is bike number 95, Jasper Castro of ADM Racing. Okay, battle for 3rd, but your leader here, this is Resulta who is in 3rd place. Medyo malayo-layo ang lamang niya from Corpus. That's almost 3 seconds. But here is Rojas. Let's see kung more than a second na ang gap niya kay sobre todo. Yes, it's 2 seconds na ang gap ni Rojas over sobre todo. Wow, which after just 3 laps. So, ini-increase. So, he is actually a lap faster than the rest of the field, Timothy Rojas. Wow. Timothy Rojas mukhang is trying to make up losing that pole position yesterday in the rain by dominating this race, showing the crowd, the field, who has the fastest bike and fastest scooter and who is the fastest rider here in this Super Maxi, where all of the riders here are using Yamaha Aerox po lahat dito sa Super Maxi race. Okay, that's Ian J. sobre todo of Agnat Yolak Exterior. Let's see kung last time it was 2 seconds. And now it's 2.7 seconds. Yes, almost a second a lap faster si Timothy Rojas from the rest of the field. Halfway to go na po tayo, 4 laps to go for NCY Suntal JDO's Timothy Rojas to show domination in this Super Maxi class. Talagang ang layo na po agad ni Timothy Rojas. Of course, sobre todo, ang bike po niya is run by his local team, Agnat Yolak Exterior. There you go. Although it's in blue, yan. And sobre todo is one of the kumbaga ngayon na lang siya uli babalik sa Maxi Scooter. Dati he was focusing on SSBK and Underbone. So ngayon, I think sobre todo is the only rider who is racing a Super Sports, an Underbone, and a scooter this weekend, no? Kakapanalo pa lang po niya sa Super Sports 200 and now he's rating in a Super Sport Maxi on the Aerox, and then later I think he will race also in the Super Underbone Open class. Wow. Medyo Android nga ito. Kasi para maisip ma-adjust niya yung pagsakay niya ng 3 different bikes on a single day. Hindi biro po yun. Anyway, yeah, that's Ian J. Sobretodo proving his versatility in racing. Yan po ang racer talaga. Scooter, Underbone, Super Sports, hindi inuurungan. Ayan, fresh from Japan pa yan. ARRC, that's Ian J. Sobretodo. Meanwhile, our leader, Timothy Rojas, napababa ng konti ni Ian J. Sobretodo to 2.4 last time. Let's see kung ma-stretch out ulit ni Timothy Rojas. There you go, Timothy Rojas, your leader. Bumababa pa, 2.5, almost the same, so steady. But with just 2 laps to go, I don't know kung mahabol pa ni Sobretodo si Rojas. But what a good showing by Timothy Rojas. Clearly showing domination in this class. From the back of the grid to the lead after 1 lap and then dominating the race. Wow. His teammate Corpus has overhauled Resultay for 3rd place. So Edsel Corpus is now on the podium position. Medyo, if we look at the battle for 3rd, yan po, Edsel Corpus just overtook Resultay, no? And I think the gap is less than a second pa rin. So baka pwede pa, baka magbago pa. But right now, it's a JDO, it's a NCY Suntal JDO 1-3. Ito po, Corpus leading Resultay for that last podium position in the GP division. And maybe the fight for the intermediate podium. Yes, Corpus and Resultay is also not only battling for the last podium position on the GP category, but also for the win as the fastest intermediate in this class. Last lap na po, si Timothy Rojas. As the Resultay now managed to get, no, it's still Corpus. Corpus pa rin for 3rd. Medyo nagsettle na ang pace ni Rojas and ni Sobretodo, around 2.5 second gap. But here we go, Timothy Rojas. Wow, ayan po, Resultay trying to get the inside of Corpus. Yes, can he do it? Can he make the stick? There was contact. Yes, Resultay. Medyo para tayong NASCAR. Robin is, sa NASCAR tawag nila, Robin is racing. Here we go. Oh, with one hand, Timothy Rojas, your winner by a big margin for NCY Suntal JDO, followed by Sobretodo for Agnat Yolak Exterior. And for 3rd place, will it be? Yes, it's Resultay